The most common tool you will use will be the System Information tool. System Info displays general information about the device, such as the operating system or firmware version, Ethernet settings, current program details, and error messages. This tool is a central access point to all of the functionality a device supports and will likely be your first option. Each section or pane has two buttons at the top, one to refresh the information and one for accessing that particular function. Should you make any changes that require you to refresh this window, you can press the refresh button at the top left corner or press F5. The following sections discuss each of the tools individually, so continue watching for the whole lesson, or you can jump to what you need to know right now by using the table of contents. Keep in mind that this window will look a little different depending on what device you're connected to. Touch panels, audio processors, etc. will all have varying information to display, and your icons may not appear in the same order since the toolbar is customizable. The System Information tool also includes a software capture feature, which enables you to gather all of the information about your Crestron software and hardware if needed, in one easy step, making it easier to work with technical support and troubleshoot problems. Should you need to submit an issue to Crestron's online help, it will help for you to gather this file first, to include with your question. After launching the System Info tool, use the System Info pull-down menu and select Save to File. Or if you've already initiated a support call and need to email the file to a representative, you can save a step and select Save an Email File. Note that you do not have to be connected to a hardware device to use this feature. If you are experiencing problems with your software, you can still use this option to collect the currently loaded software versions. We are then prompted to refresh all of the data to ensure we have the latest. Click Yes and choose a place to save this file. Now if we take a look at the text file that was created, it shows us all of the Crestron software versions that are loaded on the PC, including your current version of Windows and whether or not you have administrative rights, as this is often the cause of software installation issues. Following that information, since I was connected to a processor when I retrieved this file, it gathered all of the information from the System Information tool, including the program stats, Ethernet settings, and error logs.